Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. It's a rough morning. I'm really tired. Filming and doing all of this stuff is, I think, catching up to me. So I'm walking to get coffee, and guys, it's snowing just a little bit. You probably can't even see, but just a little bit's exciting. I have a reward at Starbucks, so I got a big one. Good thing I had a reward because it's like $9. It's crazy. So picking up coffee for both Shelby and I, and then it's gonna be a work day today. And I think Shelby has plans to go out and do some stuff, but I think it's supposed to be raining, so I don't know if she's actually going to do it. And not too much else is going on today, to be honest. Trying to not get hit by cars. Not too much is going on today. No fun holiday plans, so we'll see what we get up to. Success. I went and got coffee last night before we went to the Rockettes, and they were out of almond milk, which made me sad. So this morning I was like, Shelbs, don't order almond milk because I'm sure they're still out. They didn't get it between last night and this morning. And I walk in and it's the same lady that made my drinks yesterday, and I always pick up for both of us, Shelby and Ashley, so she knows our names. And she's like, we have almond milk. It's like, ugh. But she'd already made her drinks. Anyways, I just saw a couple of snow clouds. It is snowing, but I don't think it's supposed to snow a lot. But maybe I need to check the weather because I don't know why there'd be snow clouds out driving about if it wasn't supposed to snow a lot. So we'll see. Okay, well, back home. I love how close Starbucks is. Okay, it's been a few hours, but I forgot when I was out earlier, I had meant to pop into the store and grab some stuff to eat for breakfast, and I forgot. I was so excited about coffee. So I'm running back out because I'm hungry. It's still snowing. It's not sticking, which is fine, but it is pretty to look at. Actually rarely get this, but it sounds so good. It's part of the reason I came back to the store. And it's on sale. Winning. Okay, what else do I want? Maybe some yogurt. That was a success. One of my favorite things about living in New York is being able to pop out to stores that quickly, grab the essentials that you need, and be back home in like less than 5 minutes. It's amazing. Alright, so I just got back from the gym, and I would like to show you what I just walked into when I came into the apartment. Poppy Monroe, why are all of your toys all over the floor? Explain yourself.
She didn't.
I don't think she did. Pop? And you don't seem to be playing with them. You seem to be sleeping.
She did for a while. She got sleepy, which was the goal of the dumping of the toys, so that she would play and go to sleep and stop bothering me.
Were you bothering her, Nestle? Someone needs to clean this up, and it's not gonna be me. Anyway, I need to do some laundry. Today I need to wash my bed. So before I went to the gym, I like took everything off and I have it in my pile. So I'm gonna go downstairs and wash all of this. And is there anything better than freshly washed sheets? I don't think so. Yeah. But what?
Freshly washed sheets with freshly shaved legs.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Which I am not gonna shave today because it's winter. Maybe I will, I don't know. We'll decide in a minute. Okay, let's go downstairs. I don't know if I've ever taken you downstairs for our laundry fun. I mean, it's not that fun. I really need to wash my towels as well. And I probably, got my laundry card, probably have some like clothes I could wash too, but we'll just see where the day takes us. I'm gonna wash my bedding first, then hop in the shower. I'm gonna hop in the shower while that's, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna eat lunch first. And then when I change everything to the dryer, because that takes an hour in the dryer, then I'll shower. Because I'm not putting together my freshly washed sheets on my bed while I'm sweaty and gross. Okay, let's go downstairs. So this is our setup. We have 2 washers, 2 dryers, and then we use these little guys. I'm gonna pop one in each thing. Let's see. This will go in one by itself. I'm gonna put everything else in the other one. That's simple. Just gotta wait 33 minutes and then change it all over to the dryer. So now I'm gonna eat some lunch. I made some tacos with just cauliflower rice and black beans. Oh, it got dark. So I think I'm going to have, oh no, there we go. Oh, now I just look red. I'm gonna have that for lunch before I switch all that over to the dryer. I'm back outside again. This is a lot of errands for me for one morning. I am taking my lunch break. I'm on my way to the gym to squeeze in a little workout. First, I'm going to pop by the post office and drop off some Christmas cards I want to get in the mail. It did stop snowing, but it's turned to a little bit of a like rainy drizzle, so it's a little less fun. Yeah, so post office first, then the gym, begrudgingly. I'm not one of those people that enjoys working out. I force myself to do it so that I get out of the house and I move. Otherwise I would just sit and work all day long, knowing me. But I'm gonna do it. What do you guys like to do to work out? I'm like not into spending lots of money on classes like SoulCycle and stuff like that, because it's just really pricey in my opinion. But also the gym I go to offers classes. I just never go to them. I don't know. I like working out as a solitary activity a little bit more than like a group class situation. But I just, you know, haven't found something I groove with yet in my life. So, open to ideas. What do you guys like to do? Okay, so everything is now washed and dried. I've got it all piled up. Now I have to make it, and I have so many layers, so it takes me forever to like actually get through everything and get it made. But it's gonna be so nice when it's done. And update, I did shave my legs in case you were wondering. Alright, it's all done, and I already cannot wait to crawl into bed tonight. Also, you guys, this is one of the knot pillows that we sell on the sister market. It comes in 3 different colors. The gray, which is this one, the white and black. We love it so, so much. This is my hand in comparison to the pillow. It's perfect to just like add a little decor to your bed. So we actually first saw these pillows when we were in Iceland back in 2016. And Ashley and I both completely fell in love with them. They come in all sorts of different colors. They're handmade, and then we saw them really everywhere in Scandinavia that we went, Norway, Denmark. We've seen these pillows, and so we knew we had to add them to our shop because these were truly, truly inspired by our travels. Even though everything was, this was something that we loved right from the very start. So definitely go pick one up because it's totally worth it. I don't know where this day has gone, but it is now after 4 p.m. and I need another cup of coffee. I don't know what is happening here. What are you doing?
She's hiding.
This whole situation right here just makes me so happy. Cinnamon sugar cookie.
I thought that's one you didn't want.
I want to try it. I don't know if I'll like it. I like cinnamon.
Yeah, but you literally just tried my kombucha that I love, and you were like, it's too sweet, where it's like literally the least sweet kombucha of all time.
Yeah, this one.
It's not sweet at all.
I didn't like it.
Well, you don't like vanilla.
Right.
So that's why. It's not too sweet because it's not sweet. You're not gonna like that coffee.
I might not, but I'm going to try it anyways. Best sound in the world. It does smell good. I want to try a little bit of it before I put almond milk in it, but it's really hot. See the steam? I want to burn my tongue. I can't do it yet. Hold, please. Okay, I tried it. It's good. I like it. It's not too sweet. Okay, so this is the one that I just made. Cinnamon sugar cookie. It does say it's a limited edition. I ordered it online from Target, but I'm sure they have it in the stores as well as other places. But it tastes similar to this one, which we've had before, and I also love. So yeah, so if you're like a cinnamony person and you want something a little festive for the holidays, maybe see if you can find this, because that was pretty good. I also got a box of candy cane coffee, which I love, but Shelby isn't as big of a fan of. Right?
Correct.
Is Poppy still under the covers?
Yeah, she's under there.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little almond milk to my coffee and get back to work. Ugh. All day I've thought it's Friday. And while it is Friday when you're watching this, it is not Friday for me today, sadly. I totally just missed the cup because I was looking at the camera instead of looking at the cup.
What were you doing?
Putting almond milk in my cup. No, I gotta clean that up. Alright, I'm done working now, but as you can see, the kitchen is still a big mess. So I'm going to clean up all of this, find a place for all of this coffee because it can't all fit in our thing. I think I'm actually gonna make some coffee because I told you guys before that I was obsessed with Sabrina on Netflix. So good. And tonight the Christmas special comes out, and if you know anything about me, I have zero willpower and I hate missing out on things. So it comes out at midnight, so I'm gonna watch it at midnight when it comes out. So I'm gonna make some coffee. Usually I'm up till about 1 every night anyway, but recently I've been getting a little tired earlier when I go in my room, so I'm gonna make some coffee. Hopefully that will help. Yeah, and then I'm going to put away all of this stuff. It's just been one of those, like, not lazy, but like one of those catch-up days at home where we're just like getting everything done. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. Let me put you down here. Oh, hey. Tomorrow we are seeing Kesley, who you guys have seen before. We're gonna go to the speakeasy that's up here on the Upper East Side. So that will be super fun. I think that's really like the big thing we're doing tomorrow, but Saturday we are going to start baking for our Christmas cookie showdown. So we're gonna bake everything on Saturday and then decorate on Sunday. But then also, the Starbucks Reserve Roastery opens in New York tomorrow, which is so exciting. We went there in Seattle, if you missed that. I don't think we're gonna have time to go tomorrow, but I think we're gonna go first thing Saturday morning before we come home and start baking. So it's gonna be an exciting weekend. I showered. I blow dried my hair, which I never do. I blow dry my hair about
twice a year.
Yeah, twice a year.
No, in like January and February when it's freezing, we do, because it's too cold to sit in our apartment with our hair wet.
Which is sad, but true. I was just feeling it today. So anyways, I'm cooking dinner. I'm making pasta. I have it going back here. It's this one from Trader Joe's that is like the little like peppermint stripey.
It doesn't taste like peppermint, I hope.
No, it just like looks like peppermint. I'm gonna make the last bit of my meatless meatballs. I made my way through that package, and I have truffle Alfredo sauce. It's the last of that as well. That's gonna be my dinner. I think Shelbs is doing pasta too.
I'm doing my Brussels sprouts and caramelized onion ravioli. And then I'm making some garlic bread, which I never do, but it's happening. And then I think we're gonna watch Santa Claus.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
So we're starting with the moonshine. Gonna make our way through this jar we got last weekend, and then I'll probably make some hot chocolate when we watch the movie.
I've been loving that hot chocolate.
It's so good. Have you bought yours yet? I just almost fell over. It's so good, you guys. Are you excited to watch your favorite Christmas movie?
I am so excited. I've been waiting for like the perfect time. I can't believe I haven't watched it yet. Usually I watch it like several times, but we don't have the DVD. Like, we don't own it.
No, I saw it was on TV, so I recorded it so that we wouldn't have to like buy it on iTunes, because we left the DVD at our parents' house in Texas.
Well, I don't even think it's ours. I think it's theirs.
Well, they don't watch it, so it's ours.
Charlie? Charlie, yo, what's wrong, bro?
Poppy disappeared, and I hear muffled barking coming from my room. She's not in here. Are you in here? Pop up? Wait. Where is she? Oh, you're in here. Hi. We're watching the Santa Claus out here. You wanna come watch?
Was she in my room?
Yeah, she's in your room. Let's come watch the Santa Claus.
On my bed?
I think she was under it.